life is going to be, it's just going to be limitless, it's unstoppable, it's going to be just so beautiful. It's just going to be filled with all the positive things that I've always dreamed about. I always knew that they were there, but they were just always out of my reach because I was attracting negativity or whatever I was attracting. But it's all in the past. I can't wait, I'm so excited. I just want to jump around and scream and hug people, and I really want to just jump around. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'd rate my current confidence levels of using the current methods that I know as pretty much a 1 out of 10. Just because I feel false, feel fake. I thought I was ready to help people and I thought I knew enough, but I don't. I feel in here, why would they listen, or I'm not good enough, things like that. So I think I need to completely heal or learn or just feel, don't have that self-doubt and just be full of confidence and actually really know the stuff. The methods in the past that I've used to help women are, I suppose, listening, giving them advice, asking them to goal set, which I found quite interesting before, and I suppose too much nurturing, too much focused on the problem, not on the results. But I think the major thing is I want them to change, but do they want to change? And unless they're ready to change, nothing's going to change or work. My 3 biggest blocks that are holding me back right now would be money and success, and then a balance. So with balance for me, it's with the ego. Like, it's all about, learning with self-love and self-healing. It's all about not listening to that ego and to sort of drop the ego. But then you've got to kind of have enough ego to be who you are and ask for things. So that's a bit of it's like a compromise. I'd rate my level of comfort for asking clients for money as a 1 or a 2. I'd really struggle to do that. Just your self-worth. The biggest reason that I want to get rid of these blocks is because I truly believe I am a good person and I have what is needed to help other women. I relate really well to people and people come to me, but I just don't feel that I have what it takes to really help them. Maybe to band-aid it, but I don't want to do that. I really want to make a difference in my life and in other people's lives. My confidence now for a guaranteed outcome for clients is definitely a 10 out of 10. Because I can do it. We've learnt to do it, we've been doing it, I'm breaking through, others are breaking through, and it's really that easy. It's fantastic. To be able to ask clients for money now, even probably on day 3 of the course, my perception's changed. I can't remember saying that, but I do believe that I did. But now 100% confident because it's not about the money. It's not about the money. It's the value of your life, and you can't put a price on it, and it's different for everyone. So I don't feel like there's any blocks now. That was my own block. That was my own little shelter that I put. They were just my own limiting beliefs that I put on myself for whatever reason. It feels pretty stupid now that we actually do that, but they're not there, which is great. And yeah, balance is like life is, it's always going to be in balance. It's easy. It doesn't compare at all. My whole belief system has changed, and the way just the way you address life in general has changed, so it's blown my mind. I want to just, how I feel about doing this as a business now, I just want to run like through the streets and through the whole entire world and be able to look another female in the eyes and say, I've been there, or I feel it, and I just know, and just set them free. I want them all to feel this inside their hearts. And we're all the same, we're all connected, and it's life's too important to not live our true selves and be happy. So I just wanna break as many people through as I can. And that's the only thing that matters.